Hello dear students of class 4 and welcome to yet another online class of science. Dear children, as of yet you know that from next week onwards we are going to have our unit test. So this video is being made in regard to that only. Dear children, first of all let's talk about your syllabus. Your syllabus is chapter 1 and 2. Chapter 3 we have just completed a chapter, we have not yet completed the exercises. So only chapter 1 and 2 will come in exam. Okay, sorry, the test. Also dear children, please remember that in gk the syllabus will be chapter 1 to 10, that is all the taught chapters. The exercises and the quiz time given within the book will be used as questions for your test. All right, so learn well. Now dear children, today we are going to do a short revision on all the objective type questions of chapter 1 and 2. So let's begin. Now remember, question answers you'll have to learn on your own as given in the video and as you have done in the copy. All right, but what do you call the objective type question, fill in the blanks, true, false, match the following, stuff like that, we will revise it here in this particular video. So let's begin. We have from chapter 1, very first thing we have, give two examples for the following: essential substance that food contains. You can give the name of any two nutrients for this. Okay, that's your choice, or as I have given answer in the other advisory video. Number 2, main type of carbohydrate, sugar and starch. Sorry, not sugar and starch, it is, yes, sugar and starch. So let me write the answer for it: sugar, starch. Okay, sugar and starch. Then you have bodybuilding food, any two foods that contain protein. Any two food that contains protein, you can easily write it up here, that's your choice, but that food item must contain protein. Next, main nutrients in protective food, your answer is vitamins and minerals. Okay, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins, minerals. Okay, now dear children, please remember that for some questions like question number 1, question number 3, okay, as it asks about food items, there cannot be a fixed answer. All right, but whatever you mention, it must contain that particular food item. All right, that particular nutrient, that food item must contain that particular nutrient. Now let's move to fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Young children should include more dash food in their diet. Young children must include what kind of food in their diet? Of course, bodybuilding food. Okay, bodybuilding food, that is protein rich food. Protein rich food, or you can write bodybuilding food. Number 2, fats provide more energy than carbohydrate, of course. Number 3, dash is needed for formation of bones and teeth, calcium, CALCIUM, calcium. Number 4, dash is the essential part of the blood and other bodily fluid, water, WATER, water. Iron is needed for the formation of blood, BLOOD, blood. This was your question. Now let's move on to exercises. In exercises you have choose the correct option. Number 8, the function of food is to, your option are give us strength to work and play, help us grow, help us remain healthy and strong, and all of these. Of course your answer is all of these. Next, energy giving nutrients are carbohydrate and fats, roughage and water, vitamins and minerals, proteins and vitamins, and your answer is carbohydrates and fats. Number 3, minerals that are required by our body. Your options are calcium, iodine, iron, and all of this. Answer is all of this. Number 4, food rich in vitamin A, carrot, sweet potato, egg, all of this. Your answer is sweet potato. Number 5, a method of food preservation in which fruits and vegetables are mixed with salt and oil. The options are deep freezing, canning and bottling, pickling and refrigeration, Your answer is pickling. Okay, pickling. Then number B, choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. Dash oil slash potato is a good source of fats. Of course, the answer is oil. Number 2, egg is a rich source of energy or protein. Your answer is protein. Number 3, roughage cannot be digested by our body. Your answer is cannot be. Number 4, cooked food should be kept dash covered or uncovered. Of course, covered. Number 5, mango is preserved by pickling or cleaning. Your answer is pickling. Now name the following. Okay, name the following. I'm going to write here so that you'll not have spelling trouble. Let's see. Number 1, the substances needed for energy, health, and proper growth of our body. Nutrients. 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 Okay. Next, food that are rich source of protein. Body building foods. Bodybuilding food. A diet containing all the nutrients in right amounts along with roughage and water. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Okay. Then comes number 4. The method of food preservation in which water is removed from food. Drying. Drying. D-R-Y-I-N-G. Drying. Next you have foods rich in vitamins and minerals. Protective foods. Protective foods. Okay, so this covers your, you will name the following. Question answer, short question answer. Okay, study only the short question answer and study them properly. I'll be providing you a short PDF also, which will help you with covering the question answer. Now moving on to chapter 2, human body, the teeth. Now in human body, the teeth, dear children, one diagram is very important. Structure of human teeth. No, you don't have to draw everything. Only thing you have to draw is the types of teeth. The types of teeth. Okay. And also parts of tooth. Very important. Parts of tooth. Very important. I hope you have done this drawing already. So let's look at questions here. Number 1, there are dash incisors in each jaw. Your options are 3 or 4. Your answer is 4. Number 2, the children do not have dash teeth, permanent or milk. Your answer is permanent. Number 3, the hardest part of the tooth is dash. Options are dentine, enamel. Your answer is enamel. Number 4, to clean the spaces between the teeth we use dash, floss or sugar. Your answer is floss. Number 5, sunlight plays an important role in dash formation, water formation or vitamin D formation. Your answer is vitamin D formation. Let's move on to choose the correct answer. The process by which the teeth emerge from the gums. Your options are number A, teething, number B, flossing, number C, tooth decay, and number D, none of this. Your correct answer is number A, teething. Number 2, the number of permanent teeth an adult has. Number A, 44, number B, 20, number C, 34, and number D, 32. Your correct answer is number D, 32. Number 3, the mineral that is required to make the teeth strong. Calcium. Your options are number A, calcium, number B, iodine, number C, iron, number D, all of this. Your correct answer is number A, calcium. Number 4, the layer of tooth that is present below the enamel is number A, dentine, number B, pulp, number C, root, and number D, none of this. Your correct answer is number A, dentine. Number 5, to keep our teeth healthy, we must avoid number A, fizzy drinks. Number B, sugar. Number C, sweets. And number D, all of this. Your correct answer is all of this. Now let's revise. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, milk teeth are dash set of teeth. Your answer is temporary. Okay, your answer is temporary. Number 2, big, flat and broad teeth are dash. Your answer is molars. Okay, molars, molars. Number 3, the part of tooth above the gum is called dash. Your options are crown and enamel. Your answer is crown. And number 4, dash formation leads to tooth decay. Your answer is plaque. Plaque, plaque. Now coming to name the following. Again, I'll be writing the answers for name the following so that you can learn it. Okay. C1. Let's see. Part of the tooth that is present inside the gum. Your correct answer is root. R-O-O-T. Root. Number 2. Big, flat and broad teeth are, the innermost layer of the tooth. Your answer is pulp. P-U-L-P. Number 3. The part of the tooth above the gum, the outermost layer of the tooth. The outermost layer of the tooth. Your answer is enamel. Number 4. A doctor to whom we visit for proper dental checkup. Your correct answer is dentist. Okay, so your 4 answers are root, pulp, enamel and dentist. These are the answers for name the following. Now coming to give 2 examples of the following. Let's continue with this. Number 1, ways to take care of teeth. Number 1 is brushing and number 2 is flossing. Okay, 2 examples. 1 brushing and 2 flossing. F-L-O-S-S-I-N-G. Flossing. Number 2, food that make your teeth healthy and strong. Number 1, milk. Example 1 is milk and example 2 is cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Number 3, 2 diseases of teeth due to acid produced by germs. Your answers are example 1, tooth decay, T-O-O-T-H, tooth, D-E-C-A-Y, decay, and second example is cavity, C-A-V-I-T-Y, cavity. And number 4, foods that usually lead to tooth decay. Your examples are example 1, sweets, S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets, and number 2, sugar, S-U-G-A-R, sugar. Okay, and question answer I think I have already given you. Alright, now children, these are the objective type questions of the 2 chapters which you must be thorough with. Okay, in regard to chapter 1 question answer, okay, chapter 1 question answer, you can find your answers in, most of your answers in wrap up. Okay, on page 21-22 you have wrap up, you can find there. Also I will be providing you with a PDF file for the question answers of chapter 1 so that you can learn them easily. I remember I told you to do it yourself. Maybe most of you have done it. There can be mistakes or maybe your answers are too lengthy or too complicated. I'll make sure that you get short, sweet and easily readable answers. Alright, remember your syllabus for science is chapter 1 and 2. Okay, all the exercises present within along with diagrams of chapter 2 that I told you to do importantly. And for your GK, your syllabus is chapter 1 to 10 up to taught, all the exercises and quiz time given within the chapter. You'll have to cover it up. Okay, for better reference you can look at the previous videos. Alright, previous videos, you'll understand them better, or you can go through this video also. It will help you do a very quick and sweet revision of everything that has been taught and covered. Please remember, it is unit test. You have to compulsorily participate. It's not a weekly test. It's not a weekly test that you can ignore it. Alright, it is compulsory and it is very necessary for your promotion that you attempt the unit test compulsorily. Alright, make sure you don't miss your unit test. Thank you very much. Stay safe.